The shop is dark, your car is inside, or your engine is on a stand somewhere, half rebuilt. The phone's disconnected and there's a notice on the door. This is worse than a normal business failure because your property is behind a locked door, and every week that passes makes recovery less likely. Landlords clear out abandoned commercial spaces. Contents get auctioned or scrapped. Your engine becomes somebody's core charge. Move immediately on the building, not the person. The landlord is findable today, the property is a public record, and the owner of the parcel is listed with the county. The landlord has a lease, a name, contact information, and a strong interest in clearing the space legally. They are frequently the fastest route to your property, and they'd rather release it to you than deal with it. File a police report documenting that your property is in that building. It may not produce action, but it creates a record, and it matters if the contents get sold. Then the owner. The business was registered, and the Secretary of State filing names the officers and the registered agent. If they filed for bankruptcy, that's a public docket with a trustee, and the trustee is a real person whose job includes exactly this question. Speed is everything here. People Locator. SkipTracing.com has been finding vanished business owners since 2004. Call before the space gets cleared. Start your search today and subscribe for more videos.